Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best electric egg cookers. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of overcooked yolks, cracked shells, or waiting forever for water to boil? Making eggs the traditional way can be messy, inconsistent, and time-consuming, especially when you're preparing breakfast for the whole family. Whether you want soft-boiled, hard-boiled, poached, or even an omelet, it usually means multiple pans and constant monitoring. That's where a compact electric egg cooker can completely change your morning routine. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Electric Egg Cooker, a versatile 12-egg capacity cooker that can boil, poach, steam vegetables, and even make omelets, all in one compact countertop appliance. The Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker can cook up to 12 eggs at once, perfect for families or meal prep. It supports soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs, so you get consistent results every time. The included trays allow you to poach eggs or make fluffy omelets without using a frying pan. It also doubles as a vegetable steamer, making it useful beyond breakfast. The BPA-free trays ensure safe food contact, while the stainless steel heating plate provides fast and even cooking. Its compact 8x5x8-inch design saves counter space, and the automatic shutoff feature prevents overcooking. Just add water, press the button, and the cooker handles the rest. Pros: cooks up to 12 eggs quickly. Multiple cooking options: boil, poach, omelet, steam. Compact and easy to use. Consistent results every time. BPA-free accessories. Cons: limited capacity for large omelets. Plastic trays require gentle handling. No digital timer display. This egg cooker is ideal for busy families, meal preppers, and egg lovers who want quick, consistent results. It's also great for students, small kitchens, and anyone who wants a simple, multi-purpose breakfast appliance. At around $33.99, the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker offers excellent value. You're getting a fast, multi-function egg cooker and vegetable steamer in one affordable, space-saving device. Number 4. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker, a compact 6-egg capacity cooker designed for soft, medium, hard-boiled eggs, poaching, omelets, and even authentic onsen tamago with one-touch convenience. This digital egg cooker can prepare up to 6 eggs at once, making it perfect for small households or quick breakfasts. It features one-touch menu controls, allowing you to easily choose between soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. You can also make poached eggs, omelets, and even onsen tamago, a delicate Japanese-style soft egg. The cooker includes an audible alert that notifies you when cooking is complete, and you can turn the sound on or off depending on your preference. The auto shutoff feature prevents overcooking and adds safety. Its compact design saves counter space, while the included trays make switching between cooking styles quick and easy. The simple water measurement system ensures consistent results every time. Pros: easy one-touch digital operation. Supports multiple egg styles including onsen tamago. Compact and space-saving design. Audible alert with on-off option. Auto shutoff for safety. Cons: only 6 egg capacity. No countdown display. Plastic trays need careful cleaning. This egg cooker is best for small families, students, and quick breakfast lovers. It's also ideal for anyone who wants simple one-touch cooking and enjoys different egg styles like poached or soft-boiled without using multiple pans. At $29.99, the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker offers great value. You get multiple cooking modes, digital convenience, and reliable results in a compact, affordable appliance. Number 3. Introducing the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6-egg capacity, a compact electric cooker designed for soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs, plus poached eggs and omelets with automatic shutoff for easy cooking. This Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker can cook up to 6 eggs at once, making it perfect for quick breakfasts or small families. It supports soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs, giving you consistent results every time. The included tray lets you poach eggs or prepare small omelets without using a frying pan. It features an auto shutoff function, which automatically stops cooking once the water evaporates, preventing overcooked eggs. The BPA-free accessories ensure safe food preparation, while the stainless steel heating plate provides fast and even cooking. Its compact footprint saves counter space, and the lightweight 2.03-pound design makes it easy to move or store. The simple water measuring system helps you control egg doneness with minimal effort, making it very beginner-friendly. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Cooks 6 eggs quickly and evenly. Multiple cooking options: boil, poach, omelet. Auto shutoff for safety. BPA-free trays. Cons: limited capacity for larger families. No audible alert in some units. Small omelet tray size. This egg cooker is ideal for small families, students, and busy individuals who want quick breakfast preparation. It's also great for meal preppers, egg lovers, and anyone with limited kitchen space looking for a simple, reliable cooker. At $29.99, the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker offers solid value. You're getting a compact multifunction egg cooker with boiling, poaching, and omelet features, plus auto shutoff safety. For the price, it's a convenient and affordable upgrade for everyday breakfast cooking. Number 2. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6 egg capacity, black, a compact electric egg cooker designed to make soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs, plus poached eggs and omelets with convenient auto shutoff. This Evoloop egg cooker can prepare up to 6 eggs at once, making it perfect for quick daily breakfasts. It supports soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs, so you can get your preferred doneness every time. The included tray allows you to poach eggs or make small omelets without using extra cookware. The cooker features automatic shutoff, which stops heating once the water evaporates, preventing overcooking and improving safety. The stainless steel heating plate ensures fast and even cooking, while BPA-free accessories keep food preparation safe. Its compact 8.6 x 5.6 x 7.6 inch design fits easily on small countertops, and the lightweight 1.08 kilograms build makes it easy to store. The simple water measuring method makes operation beginner-friendly. Just add water, place eggs, and press the button. Pros: cooks up to 6 eggs quickly. Multiple cooking options: boil, poach, omelet. Auto shutoff safety feature. Compact and easy to store. Stainless steel heating plate. Cons: limited capacity for large families. No digital timer display. Small omelet tray size. This egg cooker is best for small households, students, and busy professionals who want fast breakfast preparation. It's also great for egg lovers, meal preppers, and anyone with limited kitchen space looking for a simple multifunction cooker. At $29.99, the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker offers good value. You get boiling, poaching, and omelet functions in a compact design with auto shutoff safety. For the price, it's a practical and affordable everyday kitchen helper. Number 1. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker, Model 25510, a versatile kitchen appliance designed for hard-boiled eggs, sous vide-style egg bites, poaching, omelets, scrambling, and frying in one compact unit. This 6-in-1 egg cooker goes beyond basic boiling. It can make hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, and sous vide-style egg bites for cafe-style breakfasts at home. It also includes a 5.25-inch non-stick skillet, allowing you to cook omelets, scrambled eggs, or even fry small portions. The non-stick cooking surface makes cleanup quick and easy, while the compact 8.8 x 7.3 x 6.3-inch design fits neatly on your countertop. The cooker heats quickly and evenly, helping you prepare breakfast in minutes. Its multifunction design replaces several small appliances, making it ideal for small kitchens. The simple controls make operation beginner-friendly, and the included accessories allow you to switch between cooking styles effortlessly. Pros: 6-in-1 multifunction cooking options. Includes non-stick skillet for frying and scrambling. Can make sous vide-style egg bites. Compact and space-saving design. Easy to clean non-stick surface. Cons: smaller skillet size. Not ideal for cooking large portions. No digital timer display. This is perfect for busy mornings, small households, students, and meal preppers. It's also great for anyone who wants more than just boiled eggs, including omelets, egg bites, and quick breakfast options in one compact appliance. At $32.95, the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 egg cooker offers excellent value. You're getting boiling, poaching, egg bites, omelet, scrambling, and frying functions in one compact device, making it a budget-friendly all-in-one breakfast solution. If you want quick and versatile egg cooking at home, check the link in the description for the latest price. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews.